Hi guys, my name is Michael. I'm working on computers and I decided I'm gonna take a video of my repair and then explain it for you so you can use that to do it for yourself. So tonight we got here Toshiba Satellite Pro L300, and then I have problem with my charger port. My charger port is being pushed up too hard and then is just snapped inside, is hanging around. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this laptop to pieces to get to that charger port. So within I'm doing it, I'm not gonna have to damage any hardware on that laptop or any other component. So what the first things you do, the first things is the battery. You have to take your battery out, make sure there is no power on your laptop, because you don't want laptop with power with a screwdriver in your hand. It's not gonna work out, believe me. Anyway, you open every single screw you see on the back of that laptop. There's two leads in there. There's one lead where is your memory RAM, and then there is another lead where is your hard drive. When you open the screws, it's just lifting them up, matter of lifting them up. Be gentle, because sometimes they're stuck in there, and don't pull them so hard that you just snap everything off. When you want to take the hard out, you just pull it back when it's off, then pull it out. Don't just force it out. It's not necessary for me now to take the RAM out, but I'm gonna take it out. Make sure you see it. There is, in each side there is a clip. You just need to pull that clip out. When you pull the clip out, the memory will come up itself. So pull it back and take it out. Both of them the same things, the same way. Be very gentle with it, because these are very sensitive. If you damage them, then you're gonna regret it. That's all what it is. Anyway, when you done all the screw in the back, there is always 2-3 screws under the keyboard. You have to always think that before you start opening this laptop, because otherwise you force things. It's just the laptop. It might break anything. What will you do? You go in for your keyboard, to open your keyboard, to open the other screws on it. Use your imagination. There is a little lid on top of your keyboard. You need to lift that up. So you better have the tools with you. Make sure you're not scratching all over the laptop. And then take it out and put it in a place you can find it easy later. When you're lifting up the keyboard, if it's not coming up and is too much force, that's mean the screw is there, is still there under your battery or under somewhere. But when you go around it, then if it's just a little bit sticky, it will come up. Once you got it released, be gentle when you're taking a cable out, because that cable damage, your keyboard is not going to work. You're going to have another problem. Just put them organized on your table, because later you're going to pick those up, so you need to know where you put what. So once you open the keyboard, there is 3 screws on the keyboard. I already opened them, but you need to watch it out. Make sure 100% you opening all these screws. You opened it, you see what is in between your keyboard and your base. So there is a few cables. One is for your mouse, one is for the screen, and there is another one which is connected to power, turning power on and off. You pull them all out very gently. Now there is always a little place for you to look. Just look around it, see where will you find this place. Your finger, I've just get used to do it with my nails, but you can have a little plastic things, or you're just a card, like the bank card or something, then you You just open the clip and then lift off like that, put it in a side where you can find it when you need it. So that's my motherboard in here. I hope you can see it properly. Now I'm looking for the charger port, which is there. That's where his charger port is. What I'm gonna have to do, I have to put a CD rewriter out as well. It's a little bit pushy. Yes. Then it's out. Yeah, there you go. That's what I have here, and they're all snapped to pieces, which you can see. Now this is my charger port. Then I pull that out. That's the cable which is cause the problem. Then what you have to do, get one of these cable, which I have it already here. I ordered from eBay. Then you take your cable, you put it back in, make sure it's fit in there and it's not gonna pop out again. If it's necessary to put some super glue around it, do that, because you can't change the whole case just because of that charger port. Okay, now it's so simple. When you got the part, you can easily do what you're looking. I wish I haven't lose much time. Then you make sure when you push that back, and every single clip you can hear the noise of it. You can hear it properly when they just going in. So once they in, make sure where is your wireless BOM is. There is a wireless BOM on L300 Satellite Pro. So make sure that is fit in and is working. You don't need to open the laptop once again all over. Put all your cable back in. Double check them. Make sure you're not missing none of them out. And then push your keyboard in. Put the cable back in. Make sure it's fitting. Keyboard is fitting. You need the pieces which you organize them on your table. If you have to put them back in, make sure you hear the noise of how they fit in it. Turn your laptop back and then do the same things. Your memory RAM first. Don't try to do it fast as I do, because what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you. I'm not doing that when I'm doing repairing. This is the thing I've been done more than 100 times in a month. So try to be very slow and gentle so you can memorize this laptop, because if you can do that, anytime your hard is gone, you can change your hard the same way I showed you and reprogram it, which in future I'm gonna put some video of how to reprogram them. Anyway, we're just starting. So make sure everything goes back in a same place. Some people, if you can't remember, you can use the numbers. You can use the numbers on the leads and then start for the battery to every other lead, so you can go through the number if you have problem to memorize things. And that's it. Put in all the screw back, and then your laptop will be ready to use. And yeah, that was it for tonight. And I will see what comment I get from friends and people, and then if they would be happy with it, then I will start to sending more and more. Thank you very much, guys, for watching it. Bye bye.